Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing these kbeauty makeup products I got from yesstyle. I will be swatching them and giving you my first impressions. Every item mentioned today will be linked in the description, so let's get started. First, I got the Dasique Melting Candy Balm in shade Rose Milk Tea. It is one of those clicking balm sticks. It is non-retractable, so make sure you don't over-click, otherwise there would be too much product. This shade is a neutral-toned rosy brown color. The texture feels quite thick, but I love how it instantly melts onto my skin and glides on so smoothly. It leaves a super beautiful glossy finish. Next, I got the Cleansing Balm from APRILSKIN. It is a pretty big tub with 90mm of product. It comes with a spatula, and this is quite convenient. It states that it contains their signature Carrotene IPMP, which can effectively remove makeup and skin impurities. It has a sherbet-like texture, which is really satisfying to scoop. These are the Nuse liquid blushes. I got shades 01 Taro Mousse and 04 Mauve Solid. I'm a big fan of their sleek packaging. It feels very sturdy and high quality. It comes in a pump bottle design. Shade 1 is a light lavender color, which is perfect for fair skin tones, and shade 4 is a muted rosy mauve color. This one is more pigmented, so a little goes a long way. They feel very lightweight and blendable, and the colors are just so pretty. Next, I got the TIRTIR makeup setting spray. It is in the same collection as their Viral Cushion Foundation. The mist is very fine. This is the Dasique Butter Tint in shade 04 Cotton Plum. The packaging looks really cute. I absolutely love the cream color. It is a matte lip tint, and this shade is a plum red color. It applies very smoothly and it doesn't look patchy at all. You can build up the pigment or you can blend it out for a softer look. This is the jelly blusher from the Saem. I got the shade Sweet Petal. From the name, I thought it has a bouncy jelly-like texture, but it turned out to be stiffer, almost like a hard clay texture. Nonetheless, it is very pigmented. I love this muted pink shade. It is very blendable and it looks just like a natural flush. Next up is the Romance eyeshadow palette in shade M02. I love the compact size. It is so easy to carry around. It states that the palette features cool grey toned eyeshadow shades, but I find them to be more of a neutral brown shade, which is fine with me and super versatile as well. These are great for everyday makeup looks and the color combination will never go wrong. I got these lip pencils from HOLIKA. I purchased shades 02 New Beige and 04 Overripe. One end is the lip pencil and the other end is a brush for blending. It glides on so smoothly. Shade 2 is a peachy beige color and shade 4 is a soft cherry pink. You can smudge them quite easily for a softer look. These are peripera's Water Bear Tint. I got shades number 1 Announced Beige and number 5 Red Update. The packaging is very pretty and I absolutely adore the shape of the applicator. The texture is very thin and lightweight, but the pigment is definitely there. I got shade number 6 Softly Brown previously, so here are all the swatches for comparison. They leave a dewy finish, and the best part is, they do leave a stain which is pretty long lasting. I got the TIRTIR Hydro Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a spatula, so I had to use my own. This one is a lot softer and creamier than the one from APRILSKIN. I put a tiny bit on my hand and it instantly emulsifies into a milky texture without even adding water, which is pretty awesome. Next, I got the Juicy Pan Water Blusher in shade Guava. The packaging does look like a nail polish, but it is indeed a liquid blush. Not gonna lie, it applies just like a nail polish. It is extremely lightweight, blendable, and not patchy at all. This shade is a peachy pink color. You can't really see it from the camera, but it does have some very subtle gold shimmer in it. Super pretty. This is the Twinkle pen liner from Romance in the shade Rosy Sparkle. The brush tip is very flexible. It is a sparkly pen liner with a very light pink tint to it. It is perfect for adding some shine on top of the eyelids or highlighting the A-girl style. Last but not least, I got the Dasique Juicy Dewy Tint in shade 12 Sweet Marron. It is a warm-toned brown color. It is pretty vibrant and leaves a gorgeous dewy finish. It feels very hydrating as well. Anyways, let me know which product is your favorite or if you have tried any of these. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.